So today we'll see how to convert JPG to text on this our website or the so first of all you need to go to my website. So search Shakibul.com. This is Shakibul.com. You can see this URL. After logging, go to this website. Just select this JPG to text place and here is this our tools. It is 100% free 100% free for a part. You will execute in second with no limits. Sign up. Lot of features will add in this feature. So let's how it's work. So suppose where your features given for Google Ads. So list Google. So so now if you want to this copy this text box and is the no option is copy. So this way at this moment our tool will full search screenshot this image, okay, and simply add the paste or share tools and exit. In a second our keywords are exit. So also for image, suppose this is our image, just copy and fill and here is the also close button and externally paste then exit. In a second I will say to let's convert this anything image or anything. So you can use this 100% feeling when it sign up.